What is Governor Newsom doing to ease pain after AI layoffs? 2026. What is Governor Newsom doing to ease the pain after AI layoffs? As AI-driven job cuts ripple through California, the state government must act fast to soften the blow for thousands of workers. In 2026, California experienced a surge in layoffs tied directly to AI automation. Key sectors like tech and manufacturing saw significant workforce reductions as companies adopted AI tools to increase efficiency. These cuts impacted thousands of employees, creating a sudden spike in unemployment and economic uncertainty across the state. In response, Governor Gavin Newsom ordered California's state government to urgently find ways to ease the pain caused by AI layoffs. This directive calls for coordinated efforts to create retraining programs, offer financial assistance, and identify new employment opportunities for those displaced by automation, signaling a proactive approach to the unfolding crisis. One key strategy is expanding retraining and upskilling programs. These will focus on teaching displaced workers skills that align with emerging job markets, especially in AI management, software development, and other technology-driven sectors. The goal is to help workers transition smoothly into new careers rather than face prolonged unemployment. To lessen immediate hardships, Newsom's order emphasizes providing temporary financial assistance and unemployment benefits to workers impacted by AI-driven layoffs. This safety net is designed to stabilize families financially as they seek retraining and new jobs, preventing deeper economic distress in affected communities. Beyond relief and retraining, the state government is also looking at how to attract new industries that can create fresh employment opportunities. By fostering innovation and supporting AI-related businesses that complement human workers, California hopes to rebuild a resilient job market that integrates AI without mass displacement. If you or someone you know is impacted by these AI layoffs, there are new resources being developed to help. From financial support to upskilling initiatives, California is moving quickly to soften the impact. Stay informed, seek out retraining programs, and prepare for a shifting job market shaped by AI. Subscribe for updates on how these changes affect you. Governor Newsom's decisive action shows California's commitment to helping workers hit hardest by AI layoffs. This means new training, financial safety nets, and efforts to create future jobs. If AI impacts your career, state programs can help you adapt and rebound. Stay alert, get involved, and subscribe for the latest updates on this fast-changing story.